Hi everyone, I'm Lynn with Miyo Lash, and today I'm going to answer the most popular questions about eyelash extensions. Do eyelash extensions ruin your natural lashes? Now, eyelash extensions are very safe for your natural lashes and won't ruin them or damage them if they are done correctly. Now, when you go to get eyelash extensions, you want to make sure that the lash tech is applying the extensions onto just one natural lash. Now, the natural lashes will get damaged if they are glued to multiple lashes because each lash grows at a different rate. So, if an extension is glued to, let's say, 2 or 3 natural lashes, and if one of those lashes is growing at a faster rate in comparison to the other ones, it will start pulling and tugging at the other lashes and will pull them out prematurely, causing damage to them. So when you get extensions on, and if you start feeling any pulling or if it starts hurting you, then that's when you know that they have been glued to multiple natural lashes, and you want to make sure that whoever you go to is doing them correctly and isn't rushing their work. All right, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment, and I'll see you guys soon.